Hello, this is Ronnie from Play Gospel. I've been requested to show the intro to I Saw the Light. So this is going to be part 2, and I Saw the Light beginner guitar lesson. So I'll go ahead and play that, and then I'll break it down and show you exactly how I play it. So here we go. Messed up a little bit there, kind of holding the guitar, but anyway, that's the way I'll go ahead and try to show you exactly how I did it on the fingerboard. So we're in the key of G, and when you're in the key of G, you can go ahead and use the D string as on some of your runs. So that's what I'm doing down here. My other hand, I'm hitting the D string. So I'll start out with my finger off the D string. So hit that 3 times. Hit it 4 times. And then I hit the G string. Well, then first I slam my finger, middle finger. I use my middle finger to hit the D string. Now I slide from 2 to 4. And I do that again. Doom, 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 doom. That's where I hit the string. And I just take my finger off of it. I'm not hammering on, I'm just noting the string and then hitting the 3rd string. So here's both parts. 3rd string, and then we go to the C chord, and then I put my finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and I'm going to be, for the C string, I'm going to be slamming my finger on the 3rd string. So at the same time I hit the strings, I'm slamming my finger down on 3rd string. So, and then the 4th string, then back to the 3rd string. So you go back and forth. Then you're open. Then you're back in G. Do that again, that G part, and then this is the D part. So sliding on the 3rd string, 2 to 4, with the middle finger, and then you catch the 2nd string on the 3rd fret, and then you go to the 5th fret, back to 3rd, then open, then you just get on the 3rd string and slide that. No, the 2nd and 3rd string. Just a moment. Yeah, and then you voice this 3rd string on the 4th fret. Then you take both strings, 2 and 3, slide it to the 3rd and 4th fret. I saw, back to the 1st and 2nd. Then open, that means you're at light. So it's thanks for requesting that, Robert, and I appreciate it. Go ahead and keep watching the videos, and I'll be sure to bring some more just like this one. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.